Hi, Austin here. You may be hearing stories about an impending shift in the real estate market. And in certain cases, it's true, the market is shifting. But that right now is isolated to the East Coast and the West Coast. As is often the case with fads and fashion and other things. Things start in LA and New York and other coastal cities and move to us here in the Midwest. The same thing is happening in the real estate market, but I don't see our shift coming until 2020 or 2021. And here's why. A little update on what's going on here in the Twin Cities market. Right now, in March of 2019, we've got incredibly low inventory, and you've heard me talk about this previously, but inventory is what drives supply and demand and pricing throughout any market, but particularly in a real estate market. Right now, we have less than 8,000 homes on the market in the 13-county Twin Cities metro area. Let's bring some context to where we stand on our inventory here in the Twin Cities market. In 2007, when it was an extreme buyer's market and we were going down into a real estate crisis, we had 30,000 plus homes on the market going into spring market of 2007. In 2015, we had 15,000 homes on the market going into spring market period. That was the last time we actually had a healthy, fairly balanced market. And since then, we have really gone toward being in a seller's market with about 8,000 homes on the market. So when you look at that, you got to figure that prices are going to go up because there's a scarcity, and buyers are out there who have to buy homes. They are unfortunately sometimes having to pay a premium. So prices right now in the Twin Cities, full Twin Cities market are up 5.7% over last year at this time. In Dakota County, up 6.7% over last year. That's great news for a seller, but it's not terrific for buyers. The lone really good news right now for buyers is that the interest rates have fallen actually when they were projected to rise. They have fallen since last fall from about 5.25% down to 4.35 to 4.5% for a conventional 30-year fixed mortgage. So that's great news for buyers. It's still a historically low number and gives the buyer a lot of buying power. New construction remains a really good option right now for buyers because there is plenty of inventory in terms of new construction, at least in the outer rings of the suburbs and in the price range from $350,000 to $700,000. If you're looking closer into the cities, the new construction can be scarce. And if you're looking under $350,000, new construction can be scarce as well. But in that pocket, it is a great option for buyers, and it is affecting the sellers within that segment as well. With the spring weather now on us, and finally we're seeing a lot of this snow melt, I'm expecting to see more homes come on the market. We certainly could use them, and hopefully we'll see inventories rise up above 10, 12, even approach 15,000 as the summer months come at us. But we're still not going to see much of a shift in the market. Short term, we're looking at having a very similar year to last year, where prices will increase probably between 3 and 6% across the market. And then as we go into the fall, we may see higher inventories and hopefully a little bit more balanced market. I think we all could use that. So bottom line right now, 2019, it is a fantastic time to sell your home, and it is also a really good opportunity to move up in the market or build as your next home. If you have any questions about what you should do or have any questions about the value of your home, I'd love to be able to help you. And as always, if you know of anybody who could benefit from seeing this video, please pass it on to them, and I'd love to be able to help them. Thanks.